Hi, I'm Miss Mikayla, and today we're going to be doing a science experiment with olive oil, food coloring, and water. So to start off, you're going to need a couple of different containers so that you can mix the food coloring with the water. So Patrick, can you put a few drops of the red food coloring into that bowl? You gotta take the cap off.
I'm sorry.
Mm-hmm. No, it's okay. Like 3. Alright, perfect. And now you're gonna take a spoon and you're gonna mix it. Alright, and you're gonna do that for all of the other colors. Okay. And then you're gonna take some olive oil, or you can use any kind of oil, and you're gonna pour it into a clear container.
Do I keep this one?
I'm gonna take the lid off.
No, like the spoon.
Yep, so pour it into a clear container. What? You can pour more. That's good. And oil and vinegar oil and water don't mix. So what do you think is going to happen if you stir up some of the water and put it into the olive oil? Nope, with your spoon. Ready? Drip it in. Yep, little drips. What is it doing? Is it making little bubbles?
Yeah.
Yeah? Do you think you can make some more? Whoa. Can you try some different colors and see what happens? I'm gonna try some green. Whoa, that's a big blob of green. I'm gonna do some yellow.
Yeah, I'll do a little more.
I'm gonna do a little more. Oh wow, look at all those. Can you do some blue too? Oh, cool. I like the little ones. Do you like the little ones? No, you like the big ones?
I like the fat ones that take up space.
You do? Whoa.
Okay,
Look at all those bubbles. Now what happens if you stir it? Can you try to stir it and mix them all together? Do you think they're going to mix?
Yeah.
Yeah? We'll see. Alright, let's see.
Okay, now that looks weird.
Did it mix? Or did they turn into little tiny bubbles?
They're like
The little tiny circles?
Orbeez or whatever.
Yeah, they look like Orbeez. Because oil and water don't mix. So no matter how much you stir it, it's not going to mix together.
I want to stir a little more.
You want to stir it a little more? Alright. Good job. Thank you.